Raidiam Connect. 7 recent additions. First, OpenID Federation 1.0. Our implementation of the core specification, ratified February 2026. Entity statements, trust chains, metadata policy, and trust marks all shipped. Resolve. One endpoint that returns the full trust chain and effective metadata for any subject, resolved server-side from a trust anchor. The platform performs the chain fetch, signature verification, and policy merging. Clients consume the signed result, evaluated at request time, fresh on every call. This changes client management. Before, clients were registered with dynamic client registration. Any platform change had to be explicitly resynced. With Federation, every entity statement is signed, expiring, and reissued. With Resolve, integrators don't walk chains at all, they consume the answer. Trust marks. Signed JSON Web Tokens representing a regulatory role held by an entity, issued by an authority, attached to the entity, verifiable independently of the trust chain. 3 endpoints: fetch a mark, query its status, or list every mark an authority has issued. Authorities. An organization becomes an authority by being configured to authorize entities to act within a domain, and that act places it in the federation as an intermediate. The authority then issues subordinate statements for every leaf beneath it. Authorization servers can now hold roles directly. That means they participate in federations as leafs in their own right, alongside software statements. Metadata policy. Every role on the platform now carries a full Federation metadata policy, per entity type. Each claim constrained by an operator, value, default, one of, subset, superset. The same role also represents a trust mark. 1 configuration object, 2 Federation outputs. Subdomains. An authorization domain can be registered as a child of another. The parent advertises the child as a subordinate. The child names the parent in its authority hits. Chains can nest to arbitrary depth. Certificate authorities. Configure a root CA and add 0 or more intermediate chains beneath it. Anything issued from this hierarchy is trusted on the platform, the foundation for upcoming key material work. Custom claims. The logical inverse of our just-in-time work, JIT mapped external roles inward into platform permissions. Custom claims maps platform roles outward into external services permission models. Per software statement, a JSON path query against the trust framework profile defines the values emitted in ID tokens and user info responses. And looking ahead, key material rework, server types, VC wallet and issuer support, and more in active development.